salutation to the God. God means the soul. Soul is the name of God. So, wherever, whenever we want to think about God, that is according soul. Soul we can realize always, because soul is our own nature. Soul is our own nature. So God is our own nature. About this, today I describe, I explain. Today means today October 5th, Saturday today, according Nepali date 2028, the month Ashwin, and date 19, the Saturday, according to Tithijam Ashwin, Shukla Paksha, today Tritiya Tithi. So 2024 October 5th. Today I am going to describe about the God, about the soul, about our original nature, about our immortal nature, that is soul, that is God, presenting by Balram Jishi, title Sadhit Pradip Saraswati, President of Akhand Seva Kendra of Nepal country, and now broadcasting through radio Rupandeya FM from Nepal Bhairava, from Radio Parashik, from Srinagar FM, Palpatal Sen from Butol Mukti FM, about the God which is our actual immortal nature. Our means we all of the world, either children, either young, either adults. Before the world came, we were God. Before the world, we were at the position of God, but we have forgotten. We have forgotten about the God, about ourselves, own self. We have forgotten, and we are following the world. And we are following the enjoyment of the world. We ourselves full of enjoyment, self. Our nature, immortal nature, according God, according soul, fully enjoyment, fully pleasure, automatically, but we have forgotten, and we are following bodies and world, and we are trying to enjoy from the world, but never we can get real enjoy from the world, because world is the just opposite of the God. World and the body are just opposite of the God. Let us take an example from which we can know clearly. There will be no doubt. The example is of rope and snake. Rope and snake. From this example, we know exactly the nature of God and the nature of world. The history of snake is only a rope. The ancient history of snake is only a rope. When we have forgotten about the rope, then snakes has come. Snake has come. Snake also being three shapes. Snake which has come from the rope. Three kinds. Being three kinds of snake. One Tamagun, second Rajagun, third Saptagun. This is the expression for salvation. Only he or she can understand if he or she wants salvation at the present. Otherwise cannot understand this explanation. If only follow he or she the world for the enjoyment, he or she never can understand this presentation, never in life. Because this is expression according supreme philosophy of the world, that is Vedanta philosophy, Upanishad philosophy, conclusion of Vedas. So, if we can see the position of world false, deceived, temporary, mortal, if we can feel about the actual nature of the world, we get nothing from the world if we think clearly, because life of man, the guarantee not only of one day also, not guaranteed, only possibilities. How much we can live in the thinking of possibilities. We should stay in a guaranteed line, guaranteed way. That is the way of God. Actually, we are God. Before world, we were God. So again, we can be, because before world, we were only God. Before world, so knowing the false position of the world, again we can be God. We all can be God. It is true. If snakes, for example, if snakes, because the snake has come from rope, unknowing, forgetting about the rope, has come snake, being three shapes, being three forms, that is Tamagun, Rajagun, Sattvagun. So the nature of snake, according to history, is only rope. Before he was not a snake but rope. Now in the position of a snake, if snake wants, snake can be anytime the rope. Snake anytime can convert into the rope if snake wants, because in the rope the position of snake has come. Snake actually not true, like oral, but rope is true as God. This is the example. Example of the rope and snake, and teachings according supreme philosophy of the world, that is Vedanta philosophy. If we don't care about the right example, if we do not care about the teaching of Vedanta philosophy, supreme philosophy, that means our days are going like animals, Narapashu. But let us not be Narapashu. Let us not be animal like animal. We are human being. We are man and woman. Our mind should utilize to convert into the God. It is true. Now I describe in Indian language and Nepali language also. परमात्मा को अभिवादन, परमात्मा ही हम लोगों का यथार्थ स्वरूप है। दृष्टांत में रसरी और सांप, रसरी यथार्थ है, सांप कल्पित है, मिथ्या है। सांप का इतिहास रसरी है, रसरी भूल जाने से सांप खड़ा हुआ है, इसलिए सांप का असली स्वभाव रसरी है। सांप का पहले का जीवन रसरी है, इसलिए सांप ने अगर अपना झूठा जो स्वरूप है सांप का अगर महसूस करे, फिर वो रसरी बन सकता है, क्योंकि रसरी भूल जाने से सांप बन गए थे। जब सांप का अगर होश खुल जाए, ये वेदांत दर्शन के अनुसार, और रसरी और सांप के दृष्टांत से अगर होश खुल जाए सांप का, तो तत्काल वो रसरी में बदल सकता है। उसी तरह जो हम लोग मर्द और औरत में जो रहे हैं, हम लोगों का पहले का स्वरूप, संसार से पहले का स्वरूप केवल परमात्मा जो है, वही हम लोगों का यथार्थ स्वरूप है। ये जो संसार है कल्पित है, संसार के पीछे जो हम लग रहे हैं, झूठा रास्ता पकड़ रहे, भूल कर, जैसे सांप का रास्ता पकड़ रहे, रसरी को भूल गए। अगर याद करें रसरी का तो तुरंत स्नेक जो सांप है वो रसरी तुरंत बन सकता है। वैसे अगर हम लोग चाहें, क्योंकि संसार के पहले हम लोग परमात्मा थे, परमात्मा के रूप में थे, अगर संसार के रूप में, शरीर संसार के रूप को अगर मिथ्या जाने सांप की तरह, तो जब भी हम लोग परमात्मा में बदल सकते हैं। यही बात हम नेपाली भाषा में कहेंगे, परमात्मा अभिवादन, परमात्मा हामीहरूको स्वरूप हो। दृष्टान्तमा डोरी र सर्प जस्तै, डोरीको भूलबाट सर्प खडा भएको हो। सर्पको इतिहास डोरी हो डोरी भुलेर सर्प बनेको हो। त्यसैले यदि वेदान्त उपदेशलाई लियो भने, श्रुति माताको उपदेशलाई लियो भने, फेरि हामी जो पहिले हाम्रो स्वरूप परमात्मा थियो संसारको पहिले, त्यही फेरि हामी परमात्मामा हामी बदलिन सक्छौं, जो अवश्य पनि। यसरी डोरीमा कल्पित सर्पले चाहेमा फेरि पुरानो जो स्वरूप हो उसको डोरी उसमा फर्किएर उसको सदा मुक्त हुन सक्छ। त्यसरी नै हामीहरू जो संसारलाई लिएर बन्धनमा छौं, हाम्रो संसारदेखि पहिलाको जो स्वरूप परमात्मा हो त्यसमा हामी यदि फर्क्यौं भने वेदान्त उपनिषद अनुसार र हाम्रो अनुभव अनुसार, किनकि शरीरको एक दिनको पनि ग्यारेन्टी छैन, निश्चित रूपमा जो ग्यारेन्टी छ त्यसमा रहनुपर्छ, त्यो मनुष्यता हो। यदि मनुष्यता हामीले वर्तमानमा देखाउन सकेनौं भने हाम्रो जीवन के हो? नर पशु बराबर, देख्नु मानिस तर स्वभाव पशु। त्यसकारणले डोरी र सर्पको दृष्टान्तबाट, वेदान्तको उपदेशबाट हामीहरूले वर्तमानमै परमात्मामा आफूलाई बदलेर, किनकि संसारको पहिले, शरीरको पहिले हाम्रो स्वरूप परमात्मा नै थियो। फेरि परमात्मा हुनलाई हामीलाई समय लाग्दैन, तुरुन्त हाम्रो बदली परिवर्तन त्यतिखेर पनि सम्भव छ, किनकि हामीहरूको यथार्थ स्वरूप परमात्मा हो, जो शुद्ध अनुभव, शुद्ध चेतन, स्वयं प्रकाश, केवल आनन्द रूपले सधैँ सर्वत्र सर्वथा रहिराखेको छ। अहिले समयको कारण यति नै गरौँ। हरिओम तत्सत्।